By virtue of powers vested on me as the Chancellor of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, I admit Shri Zubeen Garg to the honorary degree of D.Litt and charge you that ever in your life you show yourself worthy of the same.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for this honor. Thank you, USTM, Mr. Hawk, and all our special guests present here. And I never thought I'll get a doctorate in my life because I was a dropout from BSc, Bibura College. I was studying there. I didn't complete because my ambition was different, my dream was different. So I left my college. But still, I have a big connection with all the colleges, all the universities here. And many of my friends, they're working for the colleges, for the universities. And anyway, it's good to have a doctorate degree without having a graduation. And Louis also like that. He just told me that he even didn't go to college also. At least I went to college to see what is. But he left in, I think, 10th, right? Okay. Actually, we are dream chasers. So we chased our dream, our ambition, and whatever I am now, that's because of the people like you. So thank you always, and rise, shine, and go ahead for a new future. Thank you very much. Thank you.